Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a logo using Canva. Just go to the search bar and then type logo and then go to create a blank logo. As you can see, there is a lot of pre-made templates here. Some are free and some are for Canva Pro users. If you want to try out Canva Pro for free, I have a link down in the description. Let's say we are going to make a logo for a real estate company. Let's just try to type real estate. You can see here there is a lot of cool logos. We can just try this one and we have some options. I'll kind of like this color. And now we are going to customize it to make it unique and our own. We will start by editing the text. And we can change the font here. We can change the font size and we can change the text colors. I want to put some effects on this text, so just click effects. And then I want to have a neon effect. And then I'm going to change the text. I want to have the small text here a little bit bigger, so I just increase the font size a little bit. And then I want another color. No, this blue one looks good. And I want to put a background effect on the real estate. Let's just go to effects and then background. I want the black color with transparency. Yep, this looks good. To finish this off, I want to add a special effect. Let's go to elements and go to frames. And then I would like to add this shape here. And then I want to add a photo. I actually have a mention here I want to use. You can just drag it inside of the looks good. If you don't want to use the pre-made templates, you can just use Canva's enormous library of elements, text, background. Guys, there is endless of possibilities in Canva. Last thing you want to do is to download your logo. Press share and then download again. So this is how you create a logo using Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.